Welcome to the EarthLab YouTube channel. Today, let's explore the fascinating world of sustainable agriculture practices. With global challenges like climate change, water scarcity, and food security, innovative farming methods are more important than ever. We explore various sustainable practices, including smart farming, seawater agriculture, and high-yielding hybrid varieties, all aimed at creating a more resilient food system. What is sustainable agriculture? Sustainable agriculture is a holistic approach to farming that focuses on producing food in a way that supports the environment, is economically viable for farmers, and ensures food security for communities. In simple terms, it's about meeting today's needs without compromising future generations' ability to grow food. This practice involves methods that conserve water, protect biodiversity, and reduce pollution while ensuring that farming remains a profitable endeavor for farmers. Key sustainable agriculture practices. Now let's see some key practices that make agriculture more sustainable. Crop rotation and diversity. Crop rotation is one of the oldest and most effective sustainable farming practices. By alternating different crops each season, farmers prevent nutrient depletion, improve soil fertility, and break pest cycles. For example, planting legumes like beans adds nitrogen back into the soil, benefiting future crops like corn. Vertical farming. Vertical farming is an innovative technique that allows crops to be grown in vertically stacked layers, often indoors or in controlled environments. This method is especially useful in urban areas, where space is limited. Let's take a closer look at the different methods of vertical farming and how they work. Hydroponics. Hydroponics is perhaps the most widely known vertical farming method. In hydroponics, plants are grown without soil. Instead, their roots are submerged in nutrient-rich water solutions that provide everything they need to grow. The absence of soil means there's less risk of soil-borne diseases, and water usage is reduced by up to 90% compared to traditional farming. One of the most successful examples of hydroponics is Arrow Farms in New Jersey, USA. This indoor vertical farm uses stacked layers and LED lights to grow leafy greens year-round, producing up to 390 times more food per square foot than traditional field farming. It's a great example of how hydroponics can boost production efficiency. Aeroponics. Aeroponics is a high-efficiency farming method where plants are grown with their roots suspended in the air, while a nutrient-dense mist is sprayed directly onto them. Since roots are exposed to more oxygen, this method speeds up growth and reduces water usage even further than hydroponics. Plenty, a vertical farming company in California, uses aeroponics to grow crops like strawberries and leafy greens with minimal environmental impact. Aquaponics. Aquaponics is a combination of aquaculture, fish farming, and hydroponics. In this system, fish and plants are grown together in a symbiotic environment. The fish waste provides natural fertilizer for the plants, and the plants help filter and clean the water, which is then recirculated back to the fish tanks. It's an incredible way to recycle nutrients and water while producing both vegetables and fish. In Singapore, Sky Greens has incorporated aquaponics into its vertical farming systems. They use a unique A-frame structure to grow vegetables while raising tilapia in the same ecosystem. Sky Greens showcases how urban areas can sustainably produce both fish and vegetables in one integrated system. Fogponics. Fogponics is similar to aeroponics, but instead of spraying water, it uses a fog-like mist to deliver nutrients to plant roots. This finer mist allows for even more efficient nutrient absorption and water use. Fogponics is still emerging, but it shows great potential in places where water is extremely scarce. While not as mainstream as hydroponics or aeroponics, Grow Up Farms in the UK has experimented with this to grow herbs and leafy greens in urban settings, showing how this cutting-edge technology could be key in water-scarce environments. Vertical farming, whether through hydroponics, aeroponics, aquaponics, or fogponics, is revolutionizing the way we think about food production. By using less water, space, and energy, these methods offer a sustainable solution for feeding the growing urban population. Whether in cities or regions where farmland is limited, vertical farming is a key player in the future of sustainable agriculture. Rooftop farming utilizes the unused space of the building rooftops to grow food. It helps to reduce urban heat and improve air quality. It brings fresh produce closer to urban populations. Methods of rooftop farming. Container gardens. Simple container gardens allow for growing vegetables and herbs without extensive space. Green roof systems. Green roofs involve planting directly on rooftops, which also helps insulate buildings. Hydroponic rooftops. Using hydroponics on rooftops maximizes water efficiency while growing food. Agroforestry. Agroforestry integrates trees into farming systems, offering shade, protecting against soil erosion, and enhancing biodiversity. Trees can provide additional income through fruits, nuts, or timber. Organic farming. Organic farming avoids synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, relying instead on compost and natural pest control methods. This not only protects soil health, but also produces food that is healthier for consumers and the environment. Smart farming. Another exciting development in sustainable agriculture is smart farming or precision agriculture. This approach uses advanced technology to make farming more efficient and resource-conscious. Smart farming methods. Soil sensors. These monitor moisture, nutrient content, and temperature in real time, allowing farmers to optimize water and fertilizer use. Drones and satellite imaging. Aerial views help identify stressed areas, enabling targeted interventions to improve efficiency. Automated machinery. GPS-guided tractors and harvesters ensure precise planting and resource usage, minimizing waste. Data-driven farming. Analyzing data from sensors and imaging helps farmers make informed decisions about crop management and resource allocation. Seawater-based agriculture. One of the most innovative practices emerging is seawater-based agriculture. With freshwater becoming scarce, using seawater for farming presents a viable solution. Methods of seawater farming. Halophyte farming. Halophytes, like Salicornia, thrive in salty environments, providing nutritious food while utilizing seawater. Seawater greenhouses. These structures use solar energy to desalinate seawater, allowing traditional crops to grow in arid conditions. Integrated seawater agriculture systems. This method combines fish farming with plant cultivation, creating a sustainable, closed-loop system. Salt-tolerant crops research. Scientists are developing crops tolerating high salt levels, expanding farming possibilities in saline environments. High-yielding hybrid varieties. High-yielding hybrid varieties are crucial for boosting crop productivity and resilience. These crops are bred for higher yields, disease resistance, and adaptability. Benefits of high-yielding hybrids. Increased productivity. These crops can produce significantly more food per acre, helping to feed a growing population. Resistance to pests and diseases. Many hybrids are bred to withstand pests, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Adaptability to climate change. Hybrids can be developed to endure droughts and other extreme weather, ensuring food security. Efficient resource use. High-yielding hybrids often require less water and fertilizer, contributing to sustainable farming practices. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on green living and environmental solutions.